In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to request a signature on DocuSign using a Google Docs file, step by step. If you've created a document in Google Docs and you need someone to sign it electronically, this process is simple once you know where everything is inside DocuSign. I'll walk you through creating a template, uploading your Google Doc, adding recipients, and placing signature fields so you can send it out professionally. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. Head over to apps.docusign.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your DocuSign home dashboard, where you can manage envelopes, templates, and sent documents. From the top navigation menu, click on Templates. Templates are useful because they allow you to reuse documents and signature settings without having to recreate everything each time. This is especially helpful if you plan to send the same Google Doc to multiple people in the future. Now, click on Create Template. This will start the setup process for your new signing document. The first thing you'll need to do is type a name for your template. Choose something clear and descriptive so you can easily find it later, like Contract Agreement Template or Client Approval Form. After naming your template, click on Upload to add your Google Docs file. Before this step, make sure you've downloaded your Google Doc as a PDF or Word document to your computer, since DocuSign requires a file upload. Once you click Upload, choose the file from your desktop or the folder where it's saved, and wait for it to finish uploading. Next, you'll need to fill in the recipients. This is where you add the name and email address of the person who needs to sign the document. You can also define their role, such as signer or CC, depending on whether they need to sign or just receive a copy. Make sure the email address is correct to avoid delivery issues. After adding the recipients, click on Add Message. Here you can write a short subject line and message that the recipient will see in their email. Keep it clear and professional. For example, please review and sign this document at your earliest convenience. Once everything looks good, click on Next, Add Fields. This is where you prepare the document for signing. You'll now see your uploaded Google Docs file displayed on the screen. On the left-hand side, you'll find different field options like signature, date signed, text, and more. Simply drag and drop the signature field onto the area of the document where you want the recipient to sign. You can also drag a date signed field if needed. Resize and position the fields so they align properly with your document layout. Make sure the fields are assigned to the correct recipient if you have more than one signer. This ensures each person signs in the right place. Once you've placed all required fields, review the document one final time. If everything looks correct, save the template and proceed to send the document. DocuSign will then email your recipient with a secure link where they can review and electronically sign the document. And that's it. That's how you request a signature on DocuSign using a Google Docs file. As you can see, the key steps are creating a template, uploading your document, adding recipients, inserting signature fields, and sending it out. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.